Okay, so question number 5 here. We've got two friends disagreeing whether or not these numbers are covered by 3 standard deviations or 6. So the argument for 6 is like there's 6 of these gaps, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's like 6 regions, I guess. But it's actually only 3 standard deviations. So the friend that says 3 standard deviations, that person's right. Because when you do a standard deviation, you start with the mean, and then you go up or down by whatever the standard deviation amount is. Okay, which I think in this case is 5. So it goes plus 5 minus 5. And this part in here represents 1 standard deviation. So between there and there is 1 standard deviation. Okay, and then if you keep going out another level, right, you go out here and here, right, that's going to represent 2 standard deviations, right, because you go in both directions. So it's kind of 4 regions, but it only counts as 2 standard deviations because when you do it, you go in each direction. Right, so by the very far out, the green part here, if we go all the way out, we've now gone 3 standard deviations from the mean in each direction. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So all total, this represents 3 standard deviations. All right, hopefully that clarifies. It'll make more sense. We'll do something along these lines in one of the next lessons, I think 11.9, and hopefully that'll clarify a little more. But yeah, that's what they mean here. It's 3 standard deviations. Okay, thanks for watching.